Hi, welcome back, and you're very welcome if you're new. So today we are going to plan for the month of June using the Coffee Monsterz Co monthly kits as usual, and this month's theme is City Life. It's actually one of my favourites. There was a City Life kit in the past that I used, but this of course is in the watercolour art style. So I'll just quickly show you everything that I'll be using today, but of course the full haul will be linked below as usual. And then once we have seen everything, I will get straight into setting up my monthly overview.
I've been looking for the right way to tell you you're somewhere along the way. Somehow we ended up at a crossroad and we got lost. Somewhere you chose to go left while I turned the other way, and you got lost. Want you to know for all I know, even if the road ahead is long and winding, even if the road behind us left you crying, even if the tears come streaming down your face, it's gonna be okay. Take a walk and I join you. Just leave a trace and I follow. Make a wish and I make it come true.
So time to put the plans in. The first thing I'm marking in here is my doctor has advised me to take some time off work. So I'm just using this Tombow marker to put dashed lines and then an arrow at the end. And then I'll put in a little note later on the 11th to call the doctor, because the aim is then to go back on the 12th and I'll see what she says. And then I'm just going to use a little label from the kit to write sick leave. And then I started marking out all my Hello Fresh deliveries next, using either a little house icon or a little shopping basket icon. It's usually my intention whenever I do monthly plans to go one day at a time rather than subject at a time, but occasionally I sort of unintentionally end up doing subject at a time, and this was one of those occasions. So like I said, I marked in all the Hello Freshes and then I moved on to marking in all the birthdays. I put in my little event labels, so there's two and they're both on the same day. We have Father's Day on the 21st of June, as well as Hello Summer. Don't know where spring went, but anyway. And then after that I'm going to put in a few little labels and these two little emojis to mark our 14th anniversary. And then after that I'll put in a little payday sticker from Hubman and Chubgirl, because payday's on the Saturday, so it'll go in on the Friday.
For all I know, even if the road ahead is long and winding, even if the road behind us left you crying, even if the tears come streaming down your face, it's gonna be okay. What if you turn around and look at me? Then you'll see my love's for real. Just take a walk and I'll join you. Leave a trace and I follow. Make a wish and I make it come true. Want you to know you'll be okay. For all I know. Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new, me and you. Blue like the color of your eyes. Blue is your heart. It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the morning light. I'll help you through the fight. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's fight.